In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively incorporate collapsible text features into your Wix website to keep your pages clean, concise, and visually appealing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with Wix, these steps will help you make your website more interactive and user-friendly. First, let's begin by opening the Wix editor or Wix Studio. This is your main workspace within Wix where all the design magic happens. You'll find a drag and drop interface full of tools that allow you to create the website of your dreams. Once you have your editor open, we're going to focus on adding a text box to your page. This text box is where you'll insert your desired content. Simply select the Add button, choose Text, and then click on Themed Text or Paragraph, depending on the style you prefer. Now that your text box is set up and filled with content, it's time to consider how to manage information overflow. A Read More feature is an excellent way to keep your web page tidy, allowing your visitors to opt into reading more if they're interested. To add this feature, you can look for the Read More option directly in your text settings, or alternatively, you can add a button that links to a full page or a lightbox. Lightboxes are great because they offer information in a pop-up, making it easier for your visitors to stay on the main page without navigating away. Choose the option that best fits your design and user flow. If you're looking for even more control and customization, you might want to delve into Wix Velo, which offers coding capabilities within the Wix environment. With Wix Velo, you can create a collapsible text section. This option allows for an interactive element where text can expand or collapse on a user click, offering a dynamic way to present information. This method might require some additional setup, but don't worry. Wix provides ample resources and documentation to guide you through the coding process. It can be a fun and rewarding way to elevate your site. Customization doesn't end there. You'll want to tweak your button style and text to align with your overall site theme. The button should stand out sufficiently to grab attention, but also blend harmoniously with your design aesthetics. Consider the color, font, and size that best suit your site, and make necessary adjustments directly within the style settings. After you've completed these steps, your final task is to save and publish your site. Remember to regularly save your progress as you work to prevent any loss of changes. Once you publish, your updates go live and your audience can experience the new interactive features you've added. By incorporating these techniques, you'll be able to improve user experience and enhance the overall functionality of your website. Thanks for joining me today as we explored how to make your Wix site more engaging and informative. Happy website building! Happy